There's over 40 grams of protein in this bowl. This salad has all of the things you want in your meal. It's crispy and crunchy. It has this creamy dressing made with tahini and non-dairy yogurt. And it also has an amazingly refreshing flavor from the lemon zest. We make this absolutely fantastic chickpea crumble mixture with some chickpeas, olives, and some dried tomato and a lot of herbs. And that adds an amazing crunch to this salad and it makes an amazingly delicious salad. So add some chickpeas to a food processor and some olives, some sun-dried tomato. I'm using dried, but you can also use the ones in olive oil. Some nutritional yeast, hemp seeds, or you can use walnuts, and all of the flavor ingredients. Oh, and some olive oil. Don't forget the olive oil. So we ended up removing the sun-dried tomatoes and pulsing them separately because they just weren't getting chopped up enough. So now these are done. Now I'll just spread this mixture on the baking sheet, add a little bit of oil. Now we're gonna bake this. Let's make our dressing. That's some tahini, some yogurt, garlic and salt, and some oregano. And of course, a lot of lemon juice. Add a little bit of water as well to make a nice creamy dressing. Keep mixing it until you get the right consistency. And then we chop up all of the veggies and the greens, add them to a bowl. In the meanwhile, the chickpea crumble mixture will be ready. Then you just combine that, add some sprouts and some more of the dressing, and it's ready. I mean, look at that gorgeousness. We're gonna put some lemon zest as well. It's pretty quick, it's easy, and super delicious. Is it just me, or is it just hard to pick up the salad on camera? You can never get all of those ingredients on the fork. Oh, I got it! You can add other flavor variations to this salad as well. Add in some roasted bell peppers, some pickled onion. You can serve it with extra hemp seeds or a multigrain bread. To add even more protein to your serving, my smoky tofu bacony bits will also be great in this salad. Use whichever greens you have on hand. I used a mix of lettuce and baby spinach for that crunch and the summery feel to the salad. But this is a pretty flexible salad. If not anything, then definitely make those chickpea crumbles and use them any which way you want. You can add them to wraps or to any bowl with some roasted veggies, or even use them over pasta. If you made this salad, do let me know in the comments how you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, Indian vegan recipes, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.